drove past where the highway ends. Empty thermos, wool-worn sleeves, radio low, your head on the window. Fog on the glass, you trace my name. Northern skylights, you in my hoodie, breath in the air, making tiny goals. You said I never feel this quiet, under those colors folding slow. Northern skylights, all that we whispered, hung in the cold between our hands. If this is all we ever remember, let it be this open land. Old prints in the roadside gravel, your laugh, a sudden spark in the dark. You threw a wish at a passing truck, said if it honks, it means we stay.